Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit the Odoo website menu. This will help you improve your site's navigation, highlight important pages, and make it easier for visitors to find the information they need. To get started, open the website app in Odoo. This is where you manage the front end of your site, including the navigation your visitors use to move between pages. Before making changes, make sure you are editing the correct website if your Odoo account contains multiple websites. Once you're inside the website app, look to the top left of the screen and click Site. This opens the main site options, where you'll find several tools related to website customization. These options allow you to manage pages, properties, menus, and other important parts of your website. From there, select Menu Editor. This is the area where Odoo lets you manage your website's navigation menu in a simple visual way. You do not need to edit any code, so this method is suitable even if you are new to Odoo website management. As soon as it opens, you'll see the full list of menu items that currently appear in your site navigation. This gives you a clear overview of how your menu is structured and what your visitors are seeing. Take a moment to review the menu and identify any items that are outdated, duplicated, unclear, or placed in the wrong order. If you want to change the order of the menu items, you can rearrange them by using the drag handles next to each item. Just click and hold the handle, then drag the item into the position you want. This is useful if you want to make certain pages more prominent or organize the menu in a way that feels more intuitive for your audience. For example, you may want to place important pages, such as services, products, pricing, or contact, closer to the beginning of the menu. To edit an existing menu item, click the pen icon. This allows you to change the title, which is the label people see in the navigation, as well as the URL it links to. When updating titles, it's usually a good idea to keep them short and clear, so your navigation remains easy to read. You should also check that the URL points to the correct page, because an incorrect or outdated link can lead visitors to an error page. If there's a menu item you no longer need, you can remove it by clicking the trash icon. This deletes it from the navigation, helping you keep the menu clean and focused. Just make sure you only remove items you no longer want visitors to access from the main menu. Removing a menu item normally removes the navigation link, but it may not delete the actual website page, so the page could still be available through its direct URL. You'll also notice plus icons below the menu list. These let you add either a new standard menu item or a mega menu item. A standard menu item is great for a normal page link, while a mega menu can be useful if your site has more complex navigation and you want to display grouped links in a larger drop-down layout. For example, an online store could use a mega menu to organize products by category, brand, or customer type. Once you've finished rearranging, editing, deleting, or adding menu items, click Save to apply your changes. That's the final step. And once saved, your updated navigation will reflect the changes you made. After saving, preview the website on both desktop and mobile to confirm that the menu displays correctly and that every link works as expected. And that's it. That's how to edit the Odoo website menu quickly and easily. A clear and well-organized menu can improve the visitor experience, reduce confusion, and guide users toward your most important pages.